Good morning. My name is Richard DeWitt, and I'm the branch manager here at the Bellflower Prudential California Realty office. I'd like to take just a brief moment and cover a couple of things that you may or may not know about my office, and I would also like to encourage you to give me a call so we can sit down and have a more detailed conversation if you would like to talk about increasing your production. A couple of things that you may or may not know about our company is one is we have been in the business for over 45 years, and the Bellflower location has been the flagship office originally, and we've been in the same location for over 45 years. I am personally a full-time sales manager. I'm non-competing with my agents here on a regular schedule. I provide weekly training classes and education classes on a weekly sales meeting, and I also do a weekly social media training class. We also have an advanced training class on Thursday mornings, as well as a continuing education class on Saturday morning as well for the newer agents and or agents that need to brush up on particular topics. I have been in the business since 1977 and have been managing for approximately 28 years as a full-time manager. So I do believe that I do bring to the table not only some experience but some wisdom in handling a lot of situations that other agents may not have. Again, I would like to encourage you to give me a call at area code 949-357-4762. That's my direct cell phone line. Or you can send me an email at rdconsult1@gmail.com, or come on by the Bellflower office and we'll have a cup of coffee at least and have a chat. Appreciate your time. Have a great day.